Alright everybody, welcome back. So we're going to show off a 5-row wheel kit here for a Polaris Slingshot. And so this is, anybody wants to know, this is a Samsung Galaxy S8, Tab S8 Ultra. So this is their 14.5-inch tablet they just came out with a couple months ago. Anyway, 5 rows here, going out to Troy out in Louisiana for his Slingshot. You can see how these kind of dance to the music a little bit. There are tons of options in these music controllers that you can set up just 100 different ways, honestly. It's just phenomenal how many different ways they can do it. But if you're looking for some kits, I've got them. Tons of different wheel kits. We got 3 different eyebrow kits, 2 different underbody kits, interior, exterior package. You got mirror kits, you got hood kits. I mean, whatever you can think of, side body, you know, however you want it, I can build it. So there's a link in the video description below you can check out for prices and options on the website. If you don't see what you're looking for, reach out to me. I'll be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching.